The University of Ljubljana, founded in 1919 with 23 faculties and 3 art academies, is the oldest and largest higher education, scientific research and arts institution in Slovenia. The university fosters basic, applied and development research. Today, the University of Ljubljana ranks among 3% of top universities in the world. The University of Ljubljana is located in Ljubljana, the capital of Slovenia, except our Faculty of Maritime Studies and Transport, which is located in Portorož by the Adriatic Sea. Ljubljana is a very pleasant and youthful city to live in. We have many museums, galleries, theatres, cinemas, institutes, libraries, and one of the oldest philharmonic orchestra in the world. In the city center, you will find a lot of pubs, restaurants, clubs, and shops. There are plenty of green spaces too. Kongresni Trg is one of the central squares in Ljubljana, where is also the seat of the Rectorate of the University of Ljubljana. The University of Ljubljana has excellent degree programs in all fields of study, from art, fine arts, natural sciences, technology and engineering, social sciences, medicine, health sciences and sports, which are designed in line with the Bologna process guidelines. Within the University of Ljubljana and in cooperation with foreign universities, we provide joint interdisciplinary and multidisciplinary degree programs in all 3 cycles. In addition to lectures, tutorials and seminars, we place great emphasis on practical training, inclusion of students in project work, international exchanges, career guidance, extracurricular and other activities. Each year, around 40,000 students upgrade and develop their knowledge and skills at our institutions. Among them, we have 8% of international students. A particular concern of the University of Ljubljana is transfer of knowledge to the industry, and that's why we cooperate closely with many Slovenian and foreign companies. Our partners are prominent multinational corporation and Slovenian organization. We are inviting you to start your academic path with us, boost your personal and professional career options, and become a valuable member of our proud and creative academic community.